Hi beautiful people, welcome to Eat Works. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get started.
Don't be anxious about anything. Rather, bring up all of your requests to God in your prayers and petitions, along with giving thanks. Philippians chapter 4 verse 6.
Breakfast, important meal of the day. Breakfast kickstarts your metabolism, helping you burn calories throughout the day. It also gives you the energy you need to get things done and helps you focus at work or at school. Those are just a few reasons why breakfast is the most important meal of the day. As the saying goes, eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a pauper, an advice attributed to Adele Davis. And one of the popular breakfast foods is pancakes. Light, fluffy and totally comforting, pancakes are a natural choice when you want to treat yourself at breakfast. Ingredients: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 cup melted butter cold, 1 cup milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, chocolate syrup for topping. In a large bowl, mix together the flour, baking powder and sugar. And pour in the milk, eggs and melted butter. Mix until smooth. Gently stir the batter mixture. If the batter seems a bit thick, add a little more milk. Cooking directions: pour the batter onto the griddle, using approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of batter for each pancake. Flip pancake carefully after bubbles rise to surface. Cook until the second side is lightly browned, for about 1 to 2 minutes more. Transfer to a plate and arrange the pancakes to a serving plate. And pour in the chocolate syrup on top. Ready to serve, share and enjoy. Importance of lunch. According to experts, lunch provides nourishment to the body and brain and reduces stress. And eating lunch provides a break from the activities of the day and gives energy for the rest of the afternoon. Beef curry is a simple to make and absolutely delicious curry recipe. It is primarily composed of protein and provides a longer-lasting energy source. Ingredients: 2 kilo stewing beef cut into bite-sized pieces, 3 tablespoons red Thai curry paste, 2 cups coconut milk, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, 4 cloves garlic chopped, 1 piece chili pepper chopped, 1 basil leaf thinly sliced, and some for garnishing, 3 tablespoons fish sauce, juice from 1 lime, salt and pepper to taste. Cooking directions: heat the oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add the beef and give it a quick stir. Brown the beef on all sides, and stir constantly until the beef turns brown. Remove the beef from the pan. In another pan, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil and add the curry paste. Stir for a few minutes. And pour in the coconut milk and stir. Add the beef to the pan together with chili peppers, garlic and thinly sliced basil. Pour in the fish sauce and lime juice. Gently mix the sauce, bring to a boil, and cover the lid. Reduce the heat and uncover the lid. Give it another stir and simmer gently for 1 hour. Sprinkle salt and pepper to taste. Transfer to a serving bowl and garnish with fresh basil leaves. Serve while hot. Early light dinner. Having an early, light dinner ensures better digestion. Foods are assimilated more easily by the body without putting pressure on the liver or causing excess gas. And for many people, soup brings an image of a cozy comfort food that just has to be good for you. Yummy flavors and yummy soup, unique and perfect for a light and healthy dinner. Wonton soup is rich in protein and full of vitamin and minerals beyond its delicate and delectable flavors. It's served with health-boosting ingredients that can provide the necessary nutrients you need. Ingredients: wonton filling, 1/2 kilo ground chicken, 30 pieces wonton wrappers, 1 egg beaten, 2 green onions finely chopped, 3 cloves garlic, chopped, 1 teaspoon fresh ginger finely chopped, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground pepper. For the soup, 8 cups chicken stock, 5 pieces seaweed, chopped green onion and leave some for garnish, 3 slices fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, salt and pepper to taste. In a large bowl, combine all filling ingredients until fully incorporated. Wonton folding method. Grab a wrapper and place 1 teaspoon filling in the center of a wonton wrapper. Using your index finger, wet the edges of the wonton wrapper with water. Fold it in half and press the edges of the wrapper. Fold the bottom to corners and bring the 2 corners together and squeeze to seal. Repeat until all wonton wrappers are filled. Cooking directions. In a large saucepan, bring the chicken stock to a boil and add the seaweed. And stirring constantly for about 2 minutes or so. Toss in the green onion and sliced ginger. Slowly drop in the desired number of wontons you like in the soup. Gently simmer the wontons in the broth for about 4 to 6 minutes or until the meat is cooked through. Add sesame oil and salt and pepper to taste. Serve in bowls garnished with chopped green onions. Share and enjoy. Happy eating! Thank you. Bye for now. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Hit the bell button.